Hello everyone, this is me Rishav and welcome back to my podcast. I hope you are doing awesome. So here we have one very wise person, Mr. Mohammed Tasim. Hello Mr. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Thank you so much for introducing about myself.
Yeah, so Mr. Mohammed, can you give your little bit a basic introduction so that the people can know about you, that where are you from and what do you do?
Okay, of course. My name is Mohammad Tehsin Daza, and I'm from Shimla, Himachal Pradesh, currently living with my family, but my native place is in Sonbad, Uttar Pradesh.
Mm-hmm.
And coming to my profession, I'm a student. I'm pursuing hotel management from IHM Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And this is my final year of my graduation, and nowadays I have been preparing for the interview. So that's
Okay,
all
that's
about me.
fantastic. Yeah, okay, so let me also say something, okay, very brief introduction about myself, okay. My name is Rishav and basically I'm from Jharkhand, India. And right now I'm a student. I just completed my 10th and right now I'm studying in 11th class. Okay. So, Mr. Tasim, as you told that you completed your graduation from
No, I
BCom.
haven't completed. I'm still pursuing. No, this is the hotel management, and the
Okay,
college
this
where
is the
I'm
hotel
pursuing from.
management.
This is IHM Gwalior. That is Central Government
Okay.
Institute.
Okay. So, why you want to go in the field of hotel management? Like, what is your main purpose to go in the field of hotel management? Like, it was your something.
Actually, I love interacting with the different kind of people,
Mm-hmm.
and I also love traveling. In a one place and another place. So I
Mm-hmm.
thought that if I get an opportunity to work with a hospitality thing, then I can easily fulfill my dream as well as can also make a money. So that's why I choose the hotel management. That's the reason.
Okay. That's why you choose the hotel management. Okay,
Yes, before this,
fantastic.
actually, I was pursuing engineering from
Hmm.
Lucknow, just after completed of my 12th. And I did up to 1 year. Even I attended 1 or 2 month classes in second year. But after
Mm-hmm.
that, I left it. There was a one exam that was NCHM CTJ, which was conducted by Central Government Institute, and I appeared that exam and finally got through that exam. And in the first round counseling, my
Mm-hmm.
college was allotted IHM Gwalior.
Okay. Fantastic. So for doing hotel management, so which course we have to study or what, for example, who have completed his 12th, okay, from any stream. So after that,
Mhm.
what he will do? For pursuing hotel management or hospitality, something like that.
Could you repeat this question? Actually, I couldn't get it.
Okay, no problem. So I was asking that for doing hotel management course, okay, or to have getting a job there. So what a
Mhm.
person should need to do, he if he completed his 12th.
Okay. Firstly, if the people have completed only 12, so firstly, they must appear one exam that is NCHM CTJ, through which they get a college. There are like college, which is the central government institute, and which is a state government, and there
Mm-hmm.
are also some certain colleges that belong to private institute.
Mm-hmm.
So the people can take a admission in anything,
Mm-hmm.
and what they need to study in a hotel management. Actually,
Mm-hmm.
there are mainly four subjects that they
Okay.
will be studying. The first one is the front office, and the second one is the housekeeping. Third one is food production, and the fourth one and the last one is food and beverage service.
So can you
Okay.
explain all those things? Because I've heard that yeah, these all things. So what happened in these all things? Like, can you explain a
Okay.
little bit?
Yes, of course. Mainly when I talk about the front office, so they are responsible to interact with the guest, okay, and make a reservation of the room and allot the room and all.
Hmm.
Basically, they are responsible to interact with the guest, and we can also call it as a receptionist in another word.
Okay. I
Okay,
got it.
like that is called front office. I
Okay,
hope you
front office.
understood now.
Yeah, I got it.
And when I talk about the housekeeping department, so
Mm-hmm.
housekeeping department are basically responsible to clean the room, to clean the area,
Mm-hmm.
and decorate the room. This is the
Okay,
work of housekeeping.
decorate the room. Okay,
Yes,
fine.
decorate the room and area and all.
I got it.
So this is the work of housekeeping.
Mm-hmm.
And when I talk about the food and beverage service, so
Mm-hmm.
they prepare the beverages, alcoholic as well as non-alcoholic beverages,
Okay,
and
what is
serve
that?
the food to the table.
Like alcoholic and non-alcoholic. What is the meaning of both?
Alcoholic means
Veg.
alcoholic, yeah, alcoholic and non-alcoholic. Alcoholic, it means the drink that contain alcohol. That is called alcoholic.
Okay.
Non-alcoholic, it means the drink that does not contain any,
Alcohol.
even a single percent of alcohol. So that is called non-alcoholic. Like
Mm.
juice, we can take an example of
Okay,
juice
juice,
and
non-alcoholic.
yeah, juice
Wine.
fresh. Yes, these kind of things is a non-alcoholic beverages.
Mm,
Okay,
okay.
and the alcoholic beverages, wine, beer, liquors, this kind of things is called alcoholic beverages.
Okay, okay, exactly. Okay, I got it. Okay, so like they present these all kind of things
Yeah,
in front of table.
in front of table they present. They also work in a bar. Okay, so and they serve, actually mainly they serve the food. Okay, serve the food, and the second thing is that they prepare the alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. This is
Mm.
the department of food and beverage service.
Exactly. Okay, okay. And what was
That's
the okay?
food production.
Okay, what is that? Means like those who cook and these all things, cooks and
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah,
chef.
yeah, exactly, exactly. Chef, you can say a chef. The people who prepare the food, who cook the food, and there are two departments. The first one is a bakery department, and the
Mm.
second one is a food department. So, in a bakery department, the chef mainly responsible to bake a cake and the bakery item only. You can understand by name is.
Okay, yeah, bakery item like snacks and these all things.
Yes, yes, yeah, yeah, exactly.
Hmm.
So this is the work of
Means
bakery chef.
okay, so means that who want to go in the hotel management, so they have to learn cooking also. They have to learn all the things like all the four things they have to learn who are
There
going
are
in.
also some subject. It's not like that. Like this is the main core. This is the main core subject which is related to hotel. Okay. Apart from that, there are also some certain subject which is related to foods, which
Mm-hmm.
is related to strategic management.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in a and there are also some subject which is related to accounts. So basically,
Mm-hmm.
we can say that this is the younger brother of MBA. You
MBA.
can say yes, but if you do hotel management, then you will get a bachelor degree,
Mm-hmm.
and if you do MBA, so that will be post graduation.
Okay, that will be post
Okay,
graduation. Okay, fantastic.
so this
Mm-hmm.
is the only difference. And after having a degree of hotel management, it's not like that you can do job only in the hotel department. There are some another industry which is related to hospitality industry and can pursue your career in that, like in a retail
Okay.
service, in a retail. If there are a retail seller, okay, so you can also work over there
Okay,
in a retail.
so, for example, if I pursue hotel management, then I will get the star like for three-star hotel, five-star hotels, these all things.
Yeah, it's all depend upon you, like how knowledge you have and how confident you are. And
Mm-hmm.
I have noticed one thing, especially in a hotel management, like
Mm-hmm.
no matter how knowledge you have,
Mm-hmm.
okay, yeah, it matters. It's not like that. It
Okay, okay.
matters,
Uh-huh.
but when I compare it with the English speaking fluent,
Mm-hmm.
then the English matters a lot more than your knowledge. If you are having a good
Okay.
knowledge about English, okay, not only English, like speaking English, and
Mm-hmm.
if you are well confident interacting with another people and a different kind of people, so that will be your plus point.
Mm. Okay, means you want to say that like if you want to go in the hotel management, if you are good at English, so I think it is one of the like more qualities, more like good quality you
This
have.
is yeah, this is one of the key that can take you to your destination,
Okay.
especially in hospitality industry, because
Mm-hmm.
it's all about interacting with the people and the customer service.
Mm-hmm.
Because in the hotels, and you can also pursue your career in cruise is like a ship,
Mm-hmm.
where also
Like
is
marine.
one of the world.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So like can you explain like what happened in cruise?
In a cruise the people also travel like a flight.
Okay, I
some
got it. I
people
got.
some people choose a flight to travel from one place to another place. Some people choose a cruise like a ship from
Mm-hmm.
one place to another place. There are so many work which is
Mm-hmm.
done in a sea, okay, but I'm just talking about the cruise which is related to hospitality industry, where people
Mm-hmm.
travel, where people
Okay.
stay, where people go for uh, traveling.
Uh-huh. Okay, yeah, that's quite good. And like if I ask about the salary, like just for my knowledge, okay, just I want to ask for like what is the salary they get in hotel man? Like what is the average salary? Okay, I'm not
Every study, but
like as a fresher
my
and
answer
after.
would be same. My answer would be same. Like if you are a fresher, okay,
Hmm.
and it's also depend company to company. Like
Hmm.
in which hotel are you going to pursue your career?
Okay.
And there is a one training that is management training. If you are able to crack that training, and if you are cracking this interview of a big hotel like a Taj, Marriott, then you will be
Right.
paid around 25,000. This that would be your first salary. Okay,
Okay,
like
first
as a
year.
fresher.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, got
and like there is too much growth. If you are having a good knowledge, okay,
it.
and you are progressing well, then your salary could be 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, five
Oh
lakh,
my God.
7 lakh. Okay, these are the different things. But
Mm-hmm.
I can say that there are the people who earn 8,000, 9,000, 10,000 every month. Okay, and
Mm.
there are also people who earn 1 lakh, 2 lakh every month.
Okay,
So
means.
it's depend upon person to person and
Mm.
the company to company.
Okay, okay, fantastic. Means it depend on person and company. And like, what are the skills, okay, that a person should have that they will be selected in hotel management? For example, communication skills. So, what skills they are found in hotel management and this all career? Okay, what is the most important skills that a person should have a demand or have a command on it?
Yeah, that is communicating with the people in a great manner and with a fruitful conversation. So this is the thing that matters a lot.
Okay, means that how I communicate and how I deal with the
How you
customer.
communicate, okay, how personality also matter, but if you are having a good knowledge and having
Hmm.
a good command over your communication skills, then I
Hmm.
don't think so that your personality is matter.
Hmm.
Yeah, it matters if
Okay,
you're
means
having
like
a good
if.
personality, so that will also
Hmm.
matter.
So if I talk about except communication skills, what others are the thing? Okay, as you told, said that personality. So in personality,
Mhm.
what are the things come in personality?
In a personality, like your face and your body should be charming, and
Hmm.
your way of walking, your way of
Eating. Hmm.
talking
So.
with the people, your way of eating, where your way of talking, everything must be different, because this is the professional thing. In a
Hmm.
hotel, different kind of people, the people from a different country, from different culture, they visit to the hotel to and
Hmm.
interact with the people. So that time you must be like you must be good in a
Hmm.
personality as well as in a communicating skills. Like in a so many things, you must be perfect on that.
Okay, means like main is communication skills and
Yeah,
personality
main is a
development.
communication skills. Yeah, main is a communication skills. But if you are going for a food production,
Hmm.
so in a food production, the communication skills does not matter too much as compared to front office.
Okay,
Because
okay.
in a food production, you will be responsible to cook, but once you will get promoted, then you will be responsible just to monitor the people and to lead the people, okay, who are
Hmm.
working under you.
Means it depend on me that in which sector I need to go. Okay, like as you
Yes,
said now.
yes, yes, yes.
So.
Actually, there is a two kind of courses. Firstly, I want to tell you because some people get confused.
Hmm.
The first one is a diploma courses. Diploma courses is for a 1 year. The
Hmm.
second one is a BHM, that is for a 3 years. If you are doing diploma, then you can choose any one individual department.
Okay.
Okay, and
Hmm.
if you are choosing BHM, so in a BHM, like you can go any one of four department. If you want to go for front office, you can go. If you want to go for housekeeping, you can go for
Hmm.
that. So it's all depend upon you.
Okay, okay. Means it depend on me that whatever I want to choose, okay, that I want.
Yes,
So like.
actually, the mostly people choose after industrial training. When you will be on a second year, then
Hmm.
will be sent for the industrial training by your college in some hotels. Then you will be working in some hotels. Then you will get an idea how people are working and for which department I am perfect. Okay, and
Okay.
after that you can decide which department would be more suitable for you to go and to pursue your career.
Yeah, that's quite fantastic. And like if I talk about you, so you want to go in like in which department?
Actually, I want to go in front office, but nowadays I have been preparing for aviation field. If I get the opportunity to work with the aviation field, so I can also go for that. Because in our aviation field, I will get two opportunity. The first
Mm.
one is to interact with the people, and the second thing is to travel from one place to another place. So that's
Mm.
why I'm just looking for a job
Mm.
opportunity in aviation field. But if something goes wrong, then I can also join the hotel industry.
Okay, okay, fantastic. And like, will you get an opportunity to like go abroad or like something like go to
Of
different
course,
countries?
of course. If the people have a dream, okay, to go abroad, to go in another country, so I think the hotel management degree would be the great option for them, because there are too
Mm.
much scope. There are huge scope in another country. When I talk about the another country, then the people will be paid with a handsome salary. Even the
Oh
people
my God.
cannot imagine. Yes,
Okay.
in a abroad country, not in all, not in all the country, but
Mm.
I'm especially talking about the European country. If the people go over there, really, we will be paid higher salary. There are some senior I have who were studying in my college,
Mm-hmm.
so they have taken a job in another country and earning too much money, and especially their lifestyle, everything has got changed.
Mm. Okay. Means I think abroad there is like more respect and more salary than in India. What I think so.
Than India, yes, and huge scope as well.
Okay, huge scope is also there. Okay. So like if I want to pursue hotel management in abroad, can I do that? Like for example, I pursued my course from India. Can I work in abroad?
Of course, you can work in abroad as well. You can work in anywhere.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it doesn't matter. But if, it also depend upon money. If you are having a good money, okay,
Hmm.
so you can also try for IELTS. IELTS.
IELTS.
Yes, yes, IELTS. I'm talking about
Hmm.
IELTS
Yeah.
like that.
Yeah.
Yes, you can also go for that. Once you will, I think there are some score that you
Yeah,
need
like
to score.
6.5 band, I think, or something.
Yeah, 6.5. Even I'm not more familiar with that, but
Yeah.
I have little bit knowledge about that.
Hmm.
If you will score, then you will get a opportunity to go for abroad in any country to pursue your higher education.
Hmm.
Because there are some country who ask for this certificate, IELTS
Hmm.
certificate, IELTS
Yes.
certificate.
Yes. Okay.
So if you are having this and want to go for abroad for pursuing your hospitality course, then that
Hmm.
would be great. That would be great for
Okay.
you.
Mm-hmm.
But
Means I
the
think in
price would be
abroad.
around 15 lakh, 20 lakh like that.
Oh my God. 15
Yes,
lakh, 20 lakh. Mm-hmm.
yes, 15 lakh, 20
Yeah,
lakh.
like if you go in abroad, okay, you have to pay a lot of expenses. Without that, like it is, it is like very difficult to pursue there.
Mostly people who go for another country from India. So mostly people do part-time job for their basic expenses.
Hmm.
At least they can take care of their basic expenses apart
Hmm.
from college expenses.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Basic thing. Fantastic. And what are your hobbies? Like, what do you like to do?
Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, that I love traveling in a different places, and I love
Okay.
interacting with a different kind of people.
Mm-hmm.
This is my main reason I left engineering and got into hotel and
Mm.
hospitality industry.
Fantastic. So you means
That's
left
the reason.
you were doing before engineering.
Before engineering, what I was doing.
No, means like after 12th you studied your study of engineering.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes,
then you like shifted yourself to hotel management.
yes. Actually, after completed of my 12th, I was not aware about the courses. There are so many courses, but we are oblivious about that. No, we
Yeah, like
don't know
most
that there
people,
are
okay,
some
most
certain
people,
courses where I
what
can
I,
pursue.
like most people, what I see, they don't know about lot of courses, okay. Like they are taught only few courses, which is doctor, engineer, or you can say lawyer, or like they are known only with the specific courses. They are not like they don't know about lot of. There are a lot of courses, okay. What I see, lot of courses like graphic designing, mass communication, lot of courses, okay. But people will be like knowing about doctor, engineer, lawyer, or you can say C. I think 4 to 5 courses they know, okay, except that they don't know anything. So this is the main problem we'll find in India.
Yes, yeah, exactly. Mostly people, what I have seen, they try to follow their ancestor. They try to follow their elders. If their
Mm.
elder brother are doing
Yes,
something, so
yeah.
they will also go for that.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
if their neighbor something doing, so they will also go for that. Which
Yeah,
is
yeah.
not good. I don't think so that this is good. If you are perfect, like if your interest is in something, that could be anything.
Mm.
If your interest is to play something
Mm.
and is to sing, is to dance, anything. So
Mm.
make your career in that because you can be
Means,
perfect in that particular field.
means you
So
want to say
instead
that
of
what passion you have, we should go for. We should like find out our passion and we should go for that.
yes. But at the age of 16, 17, I don't think so that people can choose their passion where they are interested because after the complete of 12th, after completed of college, they got to know, no. Actually, my passion was this, but I did something different. And
Mm.
after
Yeah,
that,
this is
they regret. So there are,
very great.
so I would say that there are some lucky people who get to know just after completed of 12th that my passion is this. and now we must go for that.
Okay. So like, how can we select our passion? Like, we will go it automatically, or we how to get our like what is our passion? How can we find out?
Actually, as I have a experience about finding out the passion, so I believe that firstly, just think that what thing make you happy, what
Mm,
make you happy, like, and what cannot make you bored. Like if you are
okay.
doing something, okay,
Mm,
and if you are not getting tired of doing that, so
oh,
it means that is your passion.
okay, that is
Okay,
my
and if
passion.
you are doing something, okay, and you are being happy by doing that. So it means
Mm,
that is your passion. So
okay.
there is a two key that can help you to find out your passion. The first one is not getting bored while doing that thing, okay? And the second is making yourself happy by doing that.
Okay, yeah, yeah,
So there is
very
a
good.
two things to which we can at least
Mm-hmm.
know like what is
Great,
our
great.
passion.
Yeah, yeah. So like you explained very well that yeah, we are not bored, yeah, because mostly like when I study, I get bored, or when I do
Yes,
something.
it means this is not our passion. There are some
Yeah.
certain study. If you study for that, then you will not get tired, and actually you will get interest.
Hmm.
Gradually, you will be interested in doing that particular thing. Like
Okay.
I can say, whenever I do something related to programming and related to computers thing,
Hmm.
okay, gadget. So that time I do not get tired. So I believe that this is also one of my passion.
Okay, one of your
Okay, like
passion.
whenever I use a laptop, whenever I study related to computer, related to laptop and all, that time I never get tired. So
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I feel that I can also make a career in that, but it's been a late. Now I
Mm-hmm.
don't have any option.
Okay, fantastic. So like from how many like you are focusing on your communication skills or like you're working on your English?
Actually, I have been working on my English communication skills for just after lockdown. So I think it's been around
Mm.
7 to 8 months.
Okay, 7 to 8.
Since then I have been preparing for it. And when I talk about the 1 year ago and 2 year ago, to be honest, I'm telling you, I was not able to speak even a one single word in English.
Oh my
To
God.
be honest, I have been made of fun in my college. I have been insulted not only one time, so many times, and that hurt me as well. That situation, but actually, I have completed my schooling from Hindi board. So
Mm-hmm.
that was my reason I was not able to speak. And I started practicing, I started learning the grammar and all. And now I'm as able as I can communicate with the people. And I
Mm-hmm.
want to tell to those people
Mm-hmm.
who are in a learning stage and who want to speak English, and they also have been insulted in some places for English only.
Mm-hmm.
So they must practice, okay, and they must learn this language. I don't think so that it will take your more time. If
Mm-hmm.
if you are working on it only for a 1 hour and 2 hour,
Mm-hmm.
then also a 2 hour can make you fluent in this language. And I also believe the people should not go for all the basic concept of grammar. If they have a time, okay, so they can go for that. That would be plus point. But if
Mm-hmm.
they have a limited time, and during limited time they
Mm-hmm.
want to speak fluently, so they just need to go for a basic grammar, like a
Mm-hmm.
tenses, modals, preposition, and conjunction, not a noun, pronoun, adjective. Yeah, they can also go for that. Gradually they will learn, I believe. Like
Exactly.
I haven't studied noun, pronoun, adjective, okay, but
Mm-hmm.
gradually I learning this, to be
Okay.
honest.
Yeah, so you are right. Okay. So like what is like means the main thing you want to say that those who are learning English, okay, like those who are in the basic stage. So the main thing is that they should focus on they should focus on speaking.
Yeah, mostly in speaking, because
And
the
after that,
more
like
the more you will speak, the more you will be fluent.
okay, after speaking, like what is the most important? Because every person says different things like listen music, do this, do. So what is the most important thing do you feel?
Okay, I feel, Rishabh, firstly, if I'm doing something,
Hmm.
anything, not I'm talking about only in English. If I'm doing something,
Hmm.
so we must know what I'm getting from that.
Hmm.
Say for example, if I'm most of the people say that read a book, okay, that will
Hmm.
help you a lot to improve your communication skills,
Hmm.
but they do not know what is the way of reading, okay, and what I will get from reading.
Mm.
So I would say, yeah, reading is also a very good thing. It also play a significant role
Mm.
to make people fluent in English and to make people understand what is English actually.
Okay.
Like while reading newspaper or anything is any book which is
Mm.
in English, so they must focus on the way of constructing the sentences, how the sentence is constructed, how the sentence is made in this book or article. they
Okay.
they must learn, and they must pick up some important and the basic vocabulary from the
Okay.
book, not
Mm.
a advanced, because I have seen number of people, even I was doing
Yeah,
the same.
yeah.
Actually, they don't know the basic vocabulary and go for the advanced
Advanced
vocabulary.
one, exactly.
Okay, I don't think so. Which this is good. I have talked with so many people. I had a
Mm.
conversation with some native speaker as well, and I have noticed one thing,
Mm-hmm.
that they do not use, so advanced. Yeah, they use, especially native speaker they use,
Mm-hmm.
but the people who went to abroad, okay, in
Mm-hmm.
a native country from another country, like from India or from like a different country,
Mm.
so they use very simple vocabulary. To be honest, I'm telling you, you even you can see.
Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. They like use simple work. So most of the people, what they do, they only focus on vocabularies. Okay, they don't focus on anything. So like most important thing, what I feel is talking. And you also
Mhm.
said the same thing.
If you know basic vocabulary, really we can make sentences at
Mm-hmm.
any situation.
Mm-hmm.
Say for example, if I don't know the what is the meaning of running,
Mm-hmm.
okay, if I don't know the meaning of running, and I'm getting some situation where I need to use running,
Mm-hmm.
okay, so that time we can also use like the water that fall down from the sky like a drop.
Mm-hmm.
So like through which we can improvise actually. Like
Okay.
if the people are having a time, okay, so they can go for that. It's not like that,
Mm.
because the vocabulary they must know.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
uh, but if the people are thinking that now I don't have enough vocabulary to communicate with the people, so I
Mm-hmm.
think we should wait. Okay, once I will have a vocabulary, then we should
Mm.
go for communicating with the people. So
Yeah.
which is not good. For that, I am telling you, if you're
Mm-hmm.
having only 100 vocabulary, 200 vocabulary,
Mm-hmm.
so through which you can go for that. If you are
Yeah.
getting stuck, so you can also ask to those person whom you are interacting with. Like if I'm getting stuck in something, so I will definitely ask to you that
Yeah,
what is the,
exactly.
if you know, so please do let me know.
Mm-hmm.
And the people should never afraid of making a mistake, because making a mistake in any language is a common thing for human being.
Mm-hmm.
We can take an example of a small child. Firstly, initially they make a mistake, not a one or not a two. So many times they make a mistake.
Exactly. Huh.
Okay, and even actually I have noticed that
Mm.
even while speaking our own native language, we make a mistake, but we
Exactly.
do not notice.
Mm.
Sometimes our tongue, fumbled. Sometimes it spilled, and I want to speak something, but something wrong came out from my mouth.
Uh-huh. Okay.
So such a thing happens while speaking even our own native language. So
Mm.
I don't think so that making a mistake is a very big deal. Is a common thing, and the more you will mistake, the more you will learn.
Okay. So mistake is, I think, a good opportunity to learn something.
Yes, yes, of course, Rishabh.
Yeah, but like some people take the mistake in a negative way. Okay, they think that yeah, I'm making mistake, I cannot learn. Okay, but like, but indirectly the mistake is in a positive way. Like it seems that it is negative, but it is really a positive way to
It is a
to
positive.
learn something.
If you are making a mistake, just enjoy it. I feel that if you are making a mistake, so really enjoy it.
Mm-hmm.
Don't think like why you are making. Say for example, if you are learning Hindi, okay, and you don't know that how to speak Hindi, okay, and making a mistake while speaking it,
Mm-hmm.
so you will laugh at it. Like I'm making a mistake. He is speaking like that, but don't think that I'm making a mistake, so other people are going to judge me,
Exactly. Huh.
because this is just a language. This is not a this is not a tool that will show your background, that will show your talent, because
Mm.
talent is a different thing and the English language is a different thing.
Exactly. Okay.
So through English we cannot judge the talent of any people.
Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, yeah. Yeah, like mostly the people start judging that yeah, he's not good. Yeah, our society is like this only. Okay, if
Yes,
like
yes.
Yeah.
But the people must think, the people, I think they are is able, is they can think what is right and what is wrong.
Mhm.
This is just a language, and any people can say that what is the language. So language
Mm.
is just a tool through which we can convey our thought to another people.
Yeah,
And if
exactly.
I'm able to do it, so that's enough for me. So
Mm.
there is no use of reading, making a mistake and all.
Yeah, exactly. This is the main thing.
Yes, yes. So that's
Uh,
all that I had in the way of learning this language. So that can also help the people if the people will listen it.
yeah, okay. Yeah, yeah. If the people will listen, they can get some ideas and some knowledge like
Mhm,
regarding
mhm.
English. And I think we should I think wrap up our podcast because I think if we make it too long, I think the people will skip it or they will be bored or
Yeah,
something like that. Yeah, so
of
I
course,
try to
Rishabh. Yeah.
make this like I try to make as short as possible, okay, so that the people will listen it completely.
Yes,
And
of
yeah,
course.
and Mr. Mohammed, thank you very much for coming to my podcast and giving your valuable time. Thank you so much.
Yeah, that was a pleasure for me, Rishabh. And thank
Mm,
you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity to
mm.
share my experience.
Yeah, thank you so much. Have a good day.